I'm sorry, guys. I made a mistake. I missed the awards, but I'll show you in a different way. So for the teams, these are all the NBA first team. No one from the Timberwolves. No one from the Timberwolves on the All-NBA second team. And no one. Oh, Karl Anthony Towns made the All-NBA third team. That's good. So yeah, he progressed to a 90 in season 3. That's really great. And it's proud. No one on our team in the all defensive first team, but there's three rookies that made the all defensive first team. That's saying a lot. And no one from our team made the all defensive second team. I don't think we had anyone make the all rookie first team and second team. So yeah, I'll show you the awards on here. Yeah, so trying to find it really. Trying to find season awards. Oh no, I'm gonna stop participants. Season awards, I guess. So, I think Kevin Durant won MVP. These aren't what I was looking for. Trying to find where I would. Oh yeah, league history. So Kevin Durant won MVP. Dennis Smith won Rookie of the Year. Dennis Smith was Sixth Man of the Year. Draymond Green Defensive Player of the Year. And Brandon Ingram the Most Improved Player of the Year. And then, yeah, we were first in the conference. Really proud. I hope we win. I think we can win a championship this year. So yeah, let's just get to it. Okay. Alright, we lose our first game. Not a good way to start. Alright, good. We win the next game. I was really wanting to sweep the Nuggets, but I'm fine beating them as well. So we make it to the second round. And now we go up against the Los Angeles Lakers. Alright, good. I hope this goes how the Nuggets. No. Seriously? Oh. Seriously? Who do the Lakers even have? I don't know who they have. So they have. I think it's like. They don't have LeBron. They had Don Baker, Julius Randle, Zach LaVine, D'Angelo Russell, Lou Williams, and Jaylen Brown. This is not really a team that should be beating us right now. So I'm going to simulate a SimCast. And we just gotta win the rest of the game. 3 straight games, which could be a little challenging. But it should be challenging with their kind of team, because their team shouldn't even be beating us right now. We should have swept them already. Well, or at least won more games than them. That's all I'm asking for. There we go. So my goal is to make it to at least the conference finals, if not win the championship. So, yeah. See if in our wants is still force game 7, which I think it is. We can do that, and it's not looking too great. It might be a blowout win for them. It's not looking too great for us right now. Alright, good game. Like, it was a good series. You guys beat us. You destroyed us. And we were eliminated, which really sucks. We should have won, but okay. I don't know who to blame. It's coaching staff. I don't know who's even our coach. Michael Goodrick. Never heard of it before. And similarly, see who wins the title. The Lakers shouldn't even make it to the conference finals. They're not that good. And the Oklahoma City Thunder beat them. Who do the Thunder have? Oh. Yeah, there was this trade I was looking earlier. It was like Chris Bosh, I think. I was like, Chris Bosh. So yeah, I'm gonna look at these trades. Hassan Whiteside. That's a terrible trade. Why would the Bulls trade Hassan Whiteside just for Markieff Morris and Spencer Ross? It's just awful trade right there. Really bad. Oh yeah, Chris Bosh trade. So the Bucks trade Goran Dragic and Nikola Pekovic for Chris Bosh and Josh Richardson. And yeah, there's our trade. Yeah. Trying to see. Forgot. What was that trade? It was. I saw Whiteside trade. That was just a bad trade. Why would the Bulls do that? Why? See them get Whiteside. Whiteside's a beast. And the Bulls get like almost nothing in return. They just get Markieff Morris. He's terrible. Look, he's 75. Spencer Ross. They're both terrible compared to Hassan Whiteside. I just don't get it with them. But at least not our team. So yeah, Thunder won the title, and I was gonna see the roster. Probably the same. Yeah, basically the same, except they got Nene. And pretty much it. That's all they did. So let's see what promises. So spend money. Okay, I think I'll spend some money. Well, money that we have. When I checked, I saw like Paul George and James Harden were gonna be free agents, but I don't think I'll be able to get them because money. So retired players are Dirk Nowitzki, Kirk Heinrich, Gerald Wallace, Leandro Barbosa, Kevin Martin, who ends up his career as a free agent, Chris Kaman, Travis Outlaw, Ryan Hollins, Carl Landry, Danny Granger, Nate Robinson, Jared Dudley, Sebastian Telfair, Luis Scola, and other less significant retirees. A lot of retired players, mainly undrafted rookies. Dirk Nowitzki's only to make in the Hall of Fame. So yeah, I thought I saw like James Harden was like free agent, but we probably won't be able to get him. So I'm just gonna go to my free agents, unless something happens, which I doubt will happen. Because I think it was like Robert Covington and Tyler Zeller. We signed Gordon Hayward, but that was before I knew James Harden could be a free agent. We could have gotten James Harden, but okay. Yeah, I don't think we have any picks in the draft. I think we trade all of our picks for Bradley Beal. So yeah. Just really don't know what to say now. I'm really disappointed so that we didn't win the title this year because we had a great roster. Bradley Beal's a free agent. Don't know. I might re-sign him, but I think James Harden might be a free agent. So that's what I just saw. Paul George and James Harden, I think. So I will sign Bradley Beal again if he's not going to Paul Millsap. No. Try to get Paul Millsap and Bradley Beal. I don't think it would work, but it would be basically because Pau Gasol is getting old. This point that Paul Millsap isn't, not Paul Millsap, James Harden isn't free agent. Paul Millsap will accept. Let's try Bradley Beal back because he's a huge part of our team and we need him back. So he wants a lot of money. $66 million. Yeah, so he wants that. Okay. Be enough. Bradley Beal. Gotta be enough. What do I do? Try to sign him again, but I don't think I have enough money. Yeah, I don't have enough money again, but yeah, I don't know what to do now. So I'll just try to sign some other guys just in case Bradley Beal doesn't accept. So I get Will Barton if he doesn't accept. He's only asking for $27 million. $26 million. Try to sign all these guys. I'm just gonna try to sign Evan Fournier, Lou Williams, and then see if Bradley Beal accepts. If he doesn't accept, then I don't know what to do. Team just got destroyed. Lose Bradley Beal. So we need him as much as he needs us. And let's see. If Bradley Beal accepts, he better accept. We gave him an RN. There, Bradley Beal. We can't get Will Barton, but okay, I don't care. As long as we get Bradley Beal back. Well, I was wanting to get Bradley Beal back, so let's try to get some bench players now. We lost some more bench players like Tyler Zeller and those guys. So we're gonna try to get some bench players. I don't want Will Barton really. I don't think I have enough money, but I'll try to get Joel Embiid, I guess. Oh, I still have some money. I'll try to see if this will work with him. Fine. If you guys don't like seeing these free agent signings, I won't show you guys. But I'm just doing this because I thought you guys might be a little interested. But please provide some feedback for me because I have never really done this before on YouTube. I did do it, but I wouldn't really say it was the best. It was with someone else, my friend, and no, I don't know what to say. Still kind of disappointed about winning, but try to rebuild from this. So I'm still got Bradley Beal signed, so I'm trying Jordan to like these bench players. Yeah. I really don't know how to improve this team really. We have a pretty good starting lineup. I don't really want to mess it up. And yeah, pretty good. Might trade Rubio, but I'll keep him for now. Yeah, I'm just signing as many free agent bench players as possible. Okay, so now I'm gonna see who accepts. And Evan Fournier, can't take him. Jordan Hill, Lance Thomas, I can't take him. Try Lance Thompson, Doug McDermott, I can't. So I'll see the team. I kind of forgot who came back. So we have JaVale McGee. We just need. We don't need Jordan Hill, but we do need some small forward. So let's see, Lance Thompson, Doug McDermott accepted. So I'm just gonna take Lance Thomas and try to get power forward. I don't think I can get that many guys now, but I'll try to get more fun. See. Money. I don't have any money. I'm trying to find power forward somewhere.